Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome to another video. And today we're in Koramangala, Bangalore, in Truffles. This is one of the best places for burger in Bangalore. And with me I have the All-American Chicken Burger and the Truffle Rooster Burger. Both of them look absolutely delicious. So I'm starting with the All-American Chicken Burger. It's pretty big, it's hard to even hold. It has like 2 patties. And it looks really nice, so I'm just gonna take my first bite. This is so good. So I've never eaten truffles before. I used to stay in Bangalore, but I've never eaten here. And it lives up to the hype. This is so good. I already give it like a 9.3 on 10. It's really nice. Now onto the Truffle Rooster Burger. The patty is huge. It's like coming out of the burger. So I'm pretty excited to taste what it, tastes like. I'm gonna go 3, 2, 1. This is so good. This is so good. I give this a 9.4 on 10. It's a little better than the other one according to me. Because that one was a little hard to eat because it was, 2 patties. This is 1 patty, nice patty, very juicy chicken. I'm also going to be tasting the chips just to know what they give on the side. The chips are nice, basic salted chips. 8 on 8, 8.5 on 10. Basic chips, it's very nice. But this place is like a must try if you're in Koramangala, Bangalore. They have like the best burgers, and this is the first time I've tried it, and I can easily tell that they have the best burgers. And you should try this place if you're in Koramangala, Bangalore. Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome to another video. And today we're in India's largest microbrewery, Iron Hill. I have the Sin City cider beer, I have the Afterlife Ale beer, I have Kohli chips, and I have the chicken sliders with me. This looks really nice. It looks like the best thing you've ever seen. 6 miniature burgers. I'm gonna start with the Sin City cider. This is like the best beer I've ever had. I've obviously had this before. I'm gonna have it again. I already rated a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna have it again just to confirm that rating. This remains the best thing that I've ever put in my mouth. I still give it a 10 out of 10. This is the best beer I've ever had. I'm gonna go to the Afterlife Ale. This is a stout version of beer. It's a little darker beer. It's not as nice and refreshing as the Sin City cider, but it is pretty nice. It's like a beer. This is something you'd like if you like a stout. I give this a 9 out of 10. I like stouts, but I don't like them as much as I like the ciders. I just got the onion ring, which is like also beautiful here. I swear to God, it's like the best onion rings you'll ever have. So I think I'm gonna start off with an onion ring. I'm gonna dip them in the ranch or the mayonnaise. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna find out with you. This has to be the most flavorful onion rings I've ever had. 9.5 on 10. Now I'm going to the Kohli chips. This is basically chicken chips, so it's the best thing to have with beer. Onion rings, sliders, and Kohli chips is the best thing you can have with a cider beer or any type of beer. Chicken chips, I give this a 9.2 on 10. I like the onion rings a little better, but this is pretty nice. So I'm gonna have a slider now. It's a nice cute slider. I've had these before. I love them. I absolutely love them. I'm gonna have another bite. A 9.7 out of 10 is the only worth rating for the slider. It's beautiful. The beer, the chicken slider, this is all you need when you come to Iron Hill, and this is like a must come to place. I've come here at least 100 times when I've been in Bangalore. You have to come here at least once. So we also ordered testers. This is the season finale. This is Lost Lager, and this is Cinnamon Stout. So this is basically a mango infused beer, the season finale. So I'm going to take the first sip. Pretty nice. I give it a 9.4 on 10. It's pretty average. This is the Lost Lager. It's pretty similar to this, but without the mango infusion. 9.2 on 10. And Cinnamon Stout, for anybody who likes stout, to all the stout lovers, you're gonna fucking absolutely love this. 8.5 on 10. Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome to another video. And today we're in Plan B in Koramangala. This place is known for their wings. This is the peri peri wings and this is the white buffalo wings. This is one of the best places in Bangalore for wings. Everybody comes here for wings on, I think, Tuesday. Yeah, there is something on Tuesday where everybody comes here for wings. I think it's buy one get one free. But today is Saturday and I have 25 wings here for 1,100, which is basically 44 rupees a wing, which is insane. I'm starting with the peri peri chicken wings. I'm gonna have it without the ranch first. They have like a nice ranch, but I'm gonna have it plain first. I think Plan B will always be one of the best wings I've ever had. I automatically rate this like a 9.6 on 10. It's so good, but I'm gonna try it with the ranch now. I've heard this only makes it better, so like. For how much this is, it's 100% worth it. 9.6 on 10 is like the best score I could give this. It's so good. Now I'm gonna have the white buffalo wings. These look insane. In fact, these look better than the peri peri ones. And these are gonna be like really creamy because they already have a sauce, so I'm not gonna add the ranch to this. I'm going to give this a 9.8 on 10. This is like a deadly combination. This is spicy, this is sweet, it's very creamy. 9.6, 9.8. This is one of the best places in Bangalore for wings. And this is the combination you should be getting. Peri peri wings and white buffalo sauce. This is so good. And literally 25 wings for 1,100. I don't think there's a better deal than this. You have to check out Plan B in Koramangala and Bangalore.